Hi all, this video is going to show you how to scrap a racquetball racket. Found this in the trash of somebody, and it's all aluminum, so I'm going to scrap it. Here we go. Cut these off. Which is about a quarter of a pound. So I don't know what cast aluminum is going for, maybe like 60 cents. So might be worth like quarter, 20 cents maybe. But I don't know, next time I think I would just cut these handles off and let the rest of that go. If I have a whole lot to do, if I'm hurting on scrapping items, then I'll go ahead and go to the trouble to take that handle off and get the extra couple of ounces. So anyway, it's worth about 25 cents. See y'all.